Okay, welcome to Mantry. We are doing a little bit of roasted carrot action. Got some nice rainbow carrots we picked up from the market. We're gonna throw a little epazote on there, which is like a Mexican spice. A little pork fat. Gonna do a little pesto yogurt type situation underneath. Really easy dish. You can leave the carrots whole. I'm just gonna cut these in half just to speed up the cooking time. Beautiful carrots. Hot sheet pan gets the roasting situation going. You can melt the fat right on here. We can mix it right on this baking sheet. Okay, we got hot sheet pans. We're just gonna throw on a little scoop of pork fat action. Dust this with a little epazote. Epazote is a Mexican herb. It kind of is like an oregano or a thyme. It gives this nice woody flavor. Got our nice rainbow carrots. So I'm just gonna kind of toss this around in the pork fat and epazote. This will all melt down in the oven, of course, but this kind of gets the vibe going. So pork fat's just gonna add a bit of richness. It's gonna add obviously a bit of meatiness, kind of a different, you can use butter, you can use duck fat, you can obviously use like vegetable oil if you're trying to go full vegetarian, but we're just trying to make the carrots taste as good as possible, so we're going with this. Bit of good sea salt on here. I use Diamond Crystal Kosher salt, it's really good quality. And fresh ground pepper. Shout out to my dad for turning this pepper mill. Okay, so these go into the oven, 400. Walnuts will go with a little bit of a crush. We'll just throw these in the last 10 minutes of cooking, kind of just roast them off with the carrots. So pesto yogurt, we're going with a couple scoops of Greek yogurt. So, and then you go pesto. We made some pesto yesterday, arugula pesto. You can use store-bought. About half and half, maybe a little less pesto. Here, we'll throw all this in. You get a beautiful green color out of it. And you can add a tiny bit of lemon zest as well. A little pepper. And definitely make sure you hit it with just a touch of salt. Really wakes up yogurt, any type of flavored yogurt. Okay, carrots are done. Walnuts are kind of roasted off beside it. Now you can just let these sit for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes just to cool off a bit so you don't scorch your guest's mouth. Okay, we're going to go lay down some of this pesto yogurt. I'll teach you a fancy technique. Just plop it and draw it like that. Now we can lay in these carrots, make it look pretty. And we're gonna go with a little bit of arugula, just draped over the top. And that's it, you got yourself a little arugula, beautiful roasted carrots in pork fat and a little epazote. That looks like a pretty good appetizer, a little summer dish. Enjoy.